Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson XP-342. Now this can be done mostly using the control panel on the front of the printer here. So we're going to go along to setup, using the arrows on here, and press OK when we get there. Now second option along again is maintenance, so we press OK. And then we need to go all the way along to ink cartridge replacement. So hopefully you can see that. We press OK. Press that to start, and your printer will now move the carriage into the correct position. So we open up the lid, and as you can see, the carriage is moved along into the correct position. All four colours are easy to get at here. You can just pull them out, pop in a replacement for whatever's needed. The only other thing to note is, once you have replaced your ink cartridges and you're happy with what you've got in there, you just need to press the green button on the right hand side here to let the printer know you're done. That done, slides across. You're now safe to close the lid. Easy, and go about your day. I hope you found this useful. If there's anything else you want to know, do let us know in the comments. If you found this useful, please do give us a like. And if there's anything else for your machine, we do have a whole load of other videos on our channel, so please check those out as well. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.